Now, in this video, we are going to take up one more problem on development of lateral surfaces of solids. How to solve this problem by using the Solided software. The problem reads as a hexagonal pyramid 25 mm side of base and 65 mm long is resting on its base on HP in one of the edges of the base parallel to VP. It is cut by a vertical section plane at a distance of 8 mm from the axis towards the right side. Develop the lateral surface of the left part of the pyramid. So this is the problem. So this is the default Solided screen wherein the sheet, this is the actual sheet which is been fixed for A2. Now I need to change it for A4. To change the sheet for A4, this first take the cursor to the sheet 1 at the lower left corner, right click on this, click on sheet setup and you go to the background sheet. It is A2 sheet. So I want to make it A4. You just click on A4. Show background. I don't want to show the background. I will disable it and I will say OK. Now the display is still set for A2 only. So the size has become A4. Now I need to fit the display to A4 size sheet. So to do that, I will go for the fit option. So now we have changed it to, the display is also changed to A4. Now you go to sketching. So here first go to IntelliSketch, enable endpoint, intersection and horizontal or vertical, and all other options you make it disabled. Then I need to write the text. So to write the text I will go for the text command. So here I will go to select the Times New Roman as the font name, and then I want to take the, for writing the question I will take 4 as the font size. I will say enter. Now we will go to write the text. So to do that, a hexagonal pyramid, you take the cursor wherever you want and click a hexagonal pyramid, 25 mm sides of base, 25 mm sides of base and 65 mm long and 65 mm long is resting on its base, on HP with one of the edges of the base, parallel to VP. Parallel to VP. It is cut by a vertical section plane. It is cut by a vertical section plane at a distance of 8 mm. From the axis towards the right side. Develop the lateral surface of the left part of the pyramid. So this is the problem. You just right click, then you go to move command, select this text box, right click and place it wherever you want. Then you go to zoom window, bring the cursor near to the screen, the display. A hexagonal pyramid of 25 mm sides of base. So go to line, select this, make it 0.05, that is the line width. So take some arbitrary point, take 25 mm, angle is 0, then 25, 60, then 25, angle is 120, then 25, angle is 180, then 25, angle is 240, then 25, angle is 300. So then I need to go for the line command, draw a line from these two, similarly from here to here, okay, and similarly from here to here. Now you go to move command, enable this, take this and you place it wherever you want. Now you don't finish out of this because here the vertical section plane means it is perpendicular to both HP and VP. So you get a vertical line in the front view and as well as in the top view. So that is the reason why you should not complete this top view now. So again you go to the text. So here you type 3, that is the font. Take A, then B, then C, D, E, F, then O, then here it is O1. Now you go to move command, move this and place it wherever you want. That is near to the vertex points of the hexagon. Then you take D, then you have E, then you have F. Here it is O, here it is O1. Okay. Then go to fit, then go to line, draw one vertical horizontal line of any length. Then you go to 65 mm block, so go to offset, take the distance as 65, select this and right click, go to line command, draw a line from end point. Similarly, draw a line from end point. Then you take the intersection point. Then you have the end point. Similarly, from here the end point. Go to trim these extra lines. Then go to line, take end point of this to end point of this to end point of this. Take end point of this to end point of this to end point of this, and go to select this line and delete it. Now 8 mm from the axis toward the right side, a section plane which is perpendicular to both HP and VP. So offset, take the distance as 8. You select this and you take it here. Then you draw one vertical line here, okay, of any length. Then you go to extend to next, okay. Then you delete this line, okay. Now you go to zoom window, then go to split this line till here, then you delete this. Similarly, you split this line till here, then you go to fit, then come down to zoom window. So again you split this, delete it. Then you go to split this line till here. Now you go to select this, make this big dash, small dash, okay. Then go to fit. By holding the shift key, you select this line and this line, make it 2 mm, okay. Now you go to the split this line till here, then you 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 split this line till here. Now once you do that, go to shift by holding the shift key, select all these 4 lines, and similarly this line and this line and this line. Make this as 0.5. Okay, now you have the top view which is written, completed. Then you go to line, draw one horizontal line here of any length, okay. Similarly, in the front view also I need to do it. So to do that, I will go for split this line till here, then split this line till here, then split this line till here, okay. Now you go to zoom window. Now you go to text. Here put this as capital X VP, and in this case it is HP. Here it is Y. Then go to move, type VP, then here it is HP, then here it is Y, then go to select. By holding the shift key, you select these two, make it 0.13. Now you go to text. So here you type by removing this O dash, here it is O1 dash in bracket, here it is A dash, then you have B dash, then you have C dash, then you have D dash, then you have E dash, then you have F dash. Okay, then go to fit, go to zoom window. Now you go to more, take O dash, A dash, B dash, F dash, O1 dash, C dash, E dash and D dash. So which is this, you take this line 0.13, it's okay. Okay, now you go to select. By holding the shift key, you select these lines. Okay, sorry, make this line 0.5. Okay, now this would be the axis line. You just go to break, select this, or split, select this line and make this line as the axis line. Now we need to do the development without considering the sectional point. So to do that, I will go for line comment. Since one of the slant edges is parallel to VP, so you are getting the true length in this vertical VP. So to do that, I will go for ISO, modify, general, make these three black. Okay, then you come down to text, take Times New Roman and the font size is 3. Go to lines and coordinates, make it 0.1, click on OK and apply. Now we need to do the dimensioning part of it. So to do that, I will go for distance between these two. You will go indicate 25 feet. Then you come down to the height, go to distance between, select this point and this point. You make it by horizontal or vertical. Okay, then you go to fit, then come down to this. Now go to distance between this line and this line. You make it 8 mm. Okay, then you go to zoom window, then you go to move, select this, wait here, then go to distance between, you take this and take this, which is by 2 points. So you go to zoom window, by select this to take distance between end of this to end of this. So take 69.64. This is the true length line. Okay. Now I need to take this point. So first I will going to do the development without considering the 16 plane. So you have 69.64. Here also you have 69.64. Now you go to line command, draw a line of any length, then go to circle command, take the endpoint of this, take the radius as 69.64. Okay, now I will go to trim this portion. Now we will do 25 mm arc. I want to take it for 6 sides. So because it is hexagon, take the endpoint, that is the radius 25, angle is 10 degrees, sweep angle. Okay, then again go to zoom window. Now you go to arc by center point, take intersection, radius 25, angle is 10 degrees. Then again take the intersection, radius 25, angle is 10. Now again you take the intersection, radius 25, angle is 10. Okay, then you go to fit, then come down to zoom window. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Again you go to arc, take the intersection point, radius is 25, angle is 10. Then you go to zoom window, then you go to arc, take the intersection, radius 25, angle is 10 degrees. Okay, so this is how you will be able to place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So once you do that, you come down again here, then you go to line, take intersection to end to this intersection to this intersection to this end to this intersection to this end. Then you go to fit, then come down to this. So go to line, take end point to go to line, end point of this to go to extend. Okay, then go to split this line arc till here, then you go to line, remove it. Okay, then go to line, take end point to this intersection to this end to this intersection to this intersection. You take end point of this to end point of this. Similarly, end point of this to end of this, and go to trim these two. So we have the pyramid, hexagonal pyramid without considering the section plane. So now you go to text, so put the caps lock on, type capital O, then A, B, C, D, E, F and A. So you go to fit, come down here. Now you go to move, select this and you place it F, then E, then you have D, then you have C, then you have B, then you have A, then you have move. Okay, A. Now we need to name them. So to do that, I will go from here. First I want to go from B dash to C dash. So B to C will become 1. So that means you will have 1 dash. That will become 1 here. Then after that you will going to have O dash C dash. So 2 dash. So that will become 2 here. Then again this will going to become 3 dash, which is that 3 will become here. Then you have 4 dash in bracket, which is that 4 dash, it is 4 here. Then you have 5 dash in bracket, which is that is E to F 5. Okay, so once you do that, you right click. Now you go to fit, come down to zoom window. So here you go to move command, select this and you 3 dashes here. Then you have 2 dash. The 2 dash is with 4 dash. So now you go to line command, draw a line from end of this, because this is true line for that particular edge. So you have this. Similarly 1 and 5 dash is already there as a true line, so you need not have to worry about that. So you go to 1 dash. Okay. Similarly, you come down to fit, come down to this side. Okay. So now you take the move command, take 5. So then you have 4, then you have 3, then you have 2, then you have 1. So now I need to know what is the distance between these two. 3, 4, 5. So now we will take from here. So I will go for distance between, take endpoint of this to endpoint of this, which is 22.09. Take endpoint of this to endpoint of this to, which is 44.57. And of course you have the basic here, which is on 1. So go to distance between, select this endpoint to this endpoint, which is 20.5. So to do that, it is from B to C. So that is the first part. So now I will go for fit B towards C, which is 20.5. So go to arc by center point B towards C. So what is the radius? So circle 20 point. So you come down to radius 20.5. Okay. Come down to zoom window. So you go to split this circle till here. Then you split this circle till here. Then go to select, delete this, and you delete this. Now you come down to split this line till here. So this is the first part what we are talking about. Then also F towards E, same radius 20.5. F towards E, go to circle, take endpoint. The radius is 20.5. Okay. Then F towards E. Then go to zoom window. You go to split. Then from here you remove it. Go to delete. Okay. Now you go to split this line till here. Okay. Then you go to fit, come down to zoom window. Again you go to split this line till here. Go to split this line till split, go to split command, it is already there. So then once you do that, now you come down to the second portion, which is 29.64. Go to circle, take this endpoint. What is the radius? 44.57. So this 2 is on C dash, O dash C dash and O dash C dash. So you come down to these two. So go to split the circle in counterclockwise direction. Then from here F towards E, and similarly from here on this side. So go to select this entire thing here. This is not there. And similarly here go to split this line till here. Then you go to select this, remove it. So C and E. So this is 1. Okay. And this is 2. And 2. So 2 is on C. And E is on 4. And here this is 5. Okay. Now you go to zoom window, go to more, take 1, and this is 2. this is 4 and this is 5. So now you go to split this line till here, then you split this line till here. Okay, so once you do that, now we want to go for the last one, which is 22.29. So go to circle or arc by center point, take radius 22.29, then 29, then the sweep angle is 10 degrees. So you take that and you keep it here. Now you come down to this. So go to text. So you have 1, 2, and here it becomes 3 now. Okay, then go to zoom window, go to move, select this and keep it, and here you go to split this line till here. Okay, now you join the numbers, go to line, take end point to this end point, to this end point, to this end point, to this end point. Now you go to select by holding the shift key, you select this line, this, take these two, then you take this, you take this to, take this, okay, and take this, okay, and you take this. So this is how you will be able to get the development of the pyramid when a vertical section plane passing through the axis at a distance of 8 mm from the right hand or from the left hand of the axis. So once you do that, now we have delete. So these things you just deleted, it's not required. Now you come down to the dimension part of this, you come down to this. So go to distance between this line and this line, you take 25. Then again you go to move, select this and move it here. Then you go to distance between this line and this line, which is 69.64. So these are the dimensions which you need to mention for a hexagonal pyramid, wherein it is cut by a vertical section plane both in the front view and as well as in the top view. So this is how you will be able to solve the problem by using the solid software. So this will going to be the development. So finally you can say that a hexagonal pyramid wherein a vertical section plane is cutting the hexagonal pyramid from the axis toward the right side by 8 mm. Thank you.